Na raidia bicycle garage. So leo tumepata nafasi ya kuja kwa hii race ya Madaraka. So tunataka tujaribu tuone tutapata nini. Ningependa serikali itilie maanani kwa mchezo wa baiskeli, kwa maana hiyo ndio bado inaamka. So tungependa waangalie sana upande wa baiskeli.
My expectation in this race is to win and to have fun. I encourage other ladies to come and race. It's not just like competition, but to improve on yourself and to enjoy the life experience of a bike. In my opinion, I can say it's not taken seriously, but if it would have been taken seriously, it would have been very, very good, because it would have enhanced the group, the people who come out to participate, and it's really nice if the government can chip in to support us. Yeah.
I'm a Ghanaian by nationality. I came here to participate in this class race challenge, because it's like I've taken my cycling as my career, and hope many other ladies who are there watching can also be inspired, because cycling is just not a sport for men, but I think also women can do it, and they can do it better. Because as for now, according to the achievements that I've got, I'm having hope that the future of cycling for ladies is now growing.
Naona game itakuwa sawa, ni kungangana. Yeah, nisha participate. Yeah, hii ni yangu ya ine. Yeah. Namba kwa nishaikuwa namba 6, 7 na 9. Yeah, ndao push hard. Yeah.
Kuna time nilikuwa tumemeet naye.